told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you
Hi guys,
said
welcome
you
back to my
felt
channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you are fine, amazing and well. Welcome back to another vlog, welcome back to another video. Guys, I hope that you are fine. Today's vlog, I'm home alone as usual. But before I dive into everything, if this is the first time you're watching my face over here, hi there, I'm tanyanishailoc. I'm a Ugandan beauty and lifestyle content creator. Feel free to subscribe, to like, to comment, and share out with friends and family, okay? Okay, so actually I'm starting this vlog amidst working. I'm at home, I'm filming. I have something like 2 videos to be filming today, which you're going to be seeing, I believe, over the weekend. And you'll be seeing this vlog probably on a Monday, and I want to just bring you along. So let me just show you where I'm filming. Let me just flip the camera real quick for you guys to see. Actually, today morning I was doing my emails and passing through the analytics of my channel, but I'm working. All the videos I'm supposed to be shooting and editing, all of them are in here. Actually, it is very, very late by now, not so super late. It is actually around 2, and most of the time in this room around 2-ish, that is when the light is so good. As I told you, I'm filming also after the video I'm going to be filming. The video I'm going to be filming right now, it is Q&A, answering some of your questions, guys, you always have for me. But yeah, so currently, let me just do my makeup. Then after that, I start filming, and let me catch you when I catch you.
Spirituality for me is recognizing that I'm connected to the energy of all creation, that I'm a part of it, and it is always a part of me. Whatever label or word we use to describe it, doesn't matter.
Actually, I'm done with doing my makeup. I actually did a very simple makeup look, as you see going on over here. It's actually very late. It has just clocked 3, and I have to film because the sun is going anytime from now. So let me just go put on something, start filming, and let me catch you guys when I catch you. Finally done with putting on something. This is how I look, as you see going on over here. I'm just having this kimono wear. It's a combination, the top cover and the pair of pants. They are from SMI wear. I'm gonna be leaving all their information probably in my description box below. Yes, you can contact them in case you need something like this. Inside, I'm just having this black vest. I'm a fan of black vests, especially when I'm wearing something like this.
2,000 years later.
Can you believe I have just finished right now filming, but currently I'm tired. I'm going to just tidy up a little bit. Currently it's around 19 minutes past 6. I want to just take a bath, take off this makeup, do my skincare routine. I have ordered food already. By the way, guys, if you have also not watched yet the bedroom tour, it's already live. This vlog will be going up when it's already live, like 2 days ago. So I'm going to be leaving it in the description box below. You can go watch it, and hopefully also at the cards up there.
Spirituality isn't something I believe in. It's what and who I am. Knowing this has made all the difference. It allows me to live fearlessly and to make manifest the purpose of my creation. And I will be bold enough to say, I know for sure it is the greatest discovery of life.
Okay, so good morning, guys. This is actually the next day. It's currently around 12 o'clock in the day. I went out very, very early in the morning. I had some things I had to accomplish, but finally I'm done. I'm back home, and I wanted to show you guys how I did sleep yesterday. Yesterday, it actually, tended to be very, very cold. So you guys, this is how actually I did sleep. If you have seen the bedroom tour, probably you have seen these covers, the first covers. I had to rush very, very fast into the next room, the other room where I do keep things that I don't use, to get this one so that I can feel a little bit, not cold, but it was very, very absolutely cold, and wow. So I have all the laundry basket going on over here. So I'm going to just sort out all the different clothing that I want her to be washing today. I take them out to the to the balcony so that she can start washing. And to be realistic, guys, I don't give her my underwear to wash. I don't. Any clothing that is, that goes first on my body, I don't give her. I just give her ordinary clothing. Most of those clothing, I wash them for myself. I just feel like it is the African in me to just have that extra respect, not to give your underwear people to wash, But anyway, currently I'm going to be sorting out those clothing, hopefully with you guys. This is the laundry that I've selected that is going to be done today. I have most of the clothing here. Actually, they are the clothing I've actually worn throughout the whole week this week. So I'm going to just take this on my balcony area because she's almost here. Currently, I want to do a to-do list. Yes, I can't function very absolutely well without having a list that I'm following. So I have just changed into this comfortable vest. Hopefully you can see. And I want to do a to-do list which I'm going to be following for today. I'm very open here on my channel, and I have already talked about my journey with my teeth, my dental, situation. I've lost a lot of teeth in the past. So I never felt like I needed mouthwash because it has a lot of ingredients that probably would also, damage my gum, damage my teeth and all that. But guys, I tried this and I now think that it is the best decision I have ever made. I did try this, guys, and I think this is the best decision I have ever made. It's amazing. It doesn't, have that irritation in the mouth, and it just leaves your breath clean and clear. I would recommend it a lot, especially in miswork in this particular flavor. 2 packets of baby wipes. These ones to just get off my makeup. Finally, I'm done with making that to-do list. Currently, I want to just take you to my kitchen area, probably show you how it looks currently. I want to clean. I want to legit start cooking because I've not been cooking as I've been telling you in some of the videos. So I want to just organize it. I did get some new actually from my big sis. So probably I'll be showing you that in the next vlog and probably talk about everything. But I also want to show you my plants real quick. This is where currently I have placed them. This is aloe vera, chigaji. This is where I've placed it. It's a little bit dusty because obviously they live outside. Then this is snake plant or mother-in-law tongue plant. And then this is yam, normal yam. Then this is also snake plant or mother-in-law tongue. Then you guys, this is the kitchen area. Look at the mess that is happening in here. My private electricity, meter yaka going on over here. Currently I have 17 units, and most of the time when I talk about these different things in my sit down vlogs, especially cost of living vlogs, I always talk about yaka. So this is how it does look like.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Finally, I'm done with cleaning. Currently, I want to do my stretch routine. There is actually this new stretch routine that I've been following recently from YouTube. Hopefully, I'll be linking it if it's allowed. I'll be linking it in the comments, in the description box below. So this is the tutorial I'm going to be following right now on YouTube. I think the channel is called Mad Fit.
And it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh,
It was just a simple stretch. In case you need, a follow-up kind of stretching routine, I'm gonna be leaving the video or that channel I usually do use in my description box below.
Think you're something out of my nightmares,
finally I'm done. As you see going on over here, it's actually shining very, very much. That's why I have on this pair of black shades. And I think I'm also going to be taking this cape. I'm going to also be taking this cape. I'm not aware by now if I'm going to be taking a boda or I'll literally just take a taxi, because almost it is the same amount of money to the location where I do shop from.
Over the years, I've read hundreds of books that have helped me become more spiritually attuned. One of them, in particular, A New Earth by Eckhart Tolle, resonated so deeply with me that it caused a shift in the way I perceived myself and all things. The book is essentially about recognizing that you are not your thoughts and seeing, then changing the way your ego-based mind dominates your life. One with life is being one with now. You then realize that you don't live your life, but life lives you. Life is the dancer, and you are the dance. End of quote. The joy and vitality that comes from being that dance are unmatched by any pleasure you can imagine. What it takes, I've learned, is being committed to experiencing life's spiritual essence. And that, as I've said in conversations with Eckhart Tolle, is a decision you make daily to be in the world, but not of it.
So actually, you guys, I am finally done, and right now I'm leaving the location. I think I'm going to be taking a boda so that I can reach home faster. Okay, so good evening, guys. Finally back home, going on over here. So one of my neighbors actually is peeping at me, but anyway, I'm finally back home. I've actually just had a snack amongst those I've just bought from the shopping center or supermarket, whatever I want to call it. Currently, I want to just have a nap. It's currently around 2 something. I did order some food. I think I'm going to immediately after I get up from the nap. My food has to be here, because when I called, I told them by around 3. So I want to go down for something like 45 to 1 hour, and probably by 3 my food should be delivered, eat, and continue with editing. So thank you very much for watching today's vlog. I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and to share out with friends and family. Thank you for spending some days with me. Bye for now.